This high pressure shower head is so nice. I've been waiting forever to get rid of this construction quality shower head that I currently have. It actually has 3 different modes. It has a rainfall, a mix, and a spray mode, and comes with a filtration system. It does come with everything that you need for a super easy install, and you can see what great quality it is. So right now, this is only $19.99, so you better grab it quick while it's only $19.99.